Morning, class. Today we're going to be talking about units and conversion factors. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about how to convert one unit to another. Let's begin. So in order to convert a unit to another, you need to use what's called a conversion factor. It is essentially a ratio where two numbers with differing units are set equal to one another. Conversion factors can be written as reciprocals. They could be upside down. So here we have 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. We also have 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. And they can be written like this depending on which unit you're trying to convert to. So here we have some practice questions. We give you a number, 0.264 grams, and we would like you to convert that into milligrams. So to do this, you're going to start with whatever number they give you, the 0.264 grams. And to convert that to a new unit, you need to use a conversion factor. I kind of jokingly call this a times line, which is really nothing more than a multiplication sign and a division sign. Whatever unit you start with, you place on the bottom and you can cross it out. So we're trying to leave the unit grams. The new unit always goes in the numerator. So I'm going to place milligrams on top. And now we need to look up this relationship. The relationship between grams and milligrams. Milli is 1,000. For every 1 gram, there are 1,000 milligrams. So if we take our number, the 0.264, and we multiply by 1,000, you can divide by 1 if you want, but it doesn't really change your answer. You get an answer of 264 milligrams. And remember that all of our numbers need to have units. You'll see that there's a unit behind every number. And we'll go ahead and give it a box indicating that's our final answer. Let's take a look at a second problem. We have 824.7 grams, and this time we're asking to convert that to kilograms. Okay, so we can take 824.7, and we're going to set up our conversion factor, which is a times line. Again, I kind of jokingly call it a times line, but it is a multiplication and division sign. And we're going to place the unit gram on the bottom. Go ahead and cross that out. And the new unit always goes in the numerator. So we're going to place kilograms on top. And again, we're going to have to look up this relationship. So the relationship between grams and kilograms, for every 1 kilogram, there are 1,000 grams. Now, this problem is going to be a little different. Notice how the number 1,000 appears in the denominator as opposed to our previous question when it was in the numerator. So if we want to go ahead and solve, we're going to take our 824.7 times 1 and then divide by 1,000. So we get 0.8247. And of course, the unit is whatever's left over, which is kilogram. And we'll go ahead and put a box around it, indicating it's our final answer. Okay,